Chris from ManageEngine New Zealand from Soft Solutions team. I'm very stoked to inform you that our ManageEngine endpoint management solution, Patch Connect Plus, now supports Microsoft Intunes. Um, in your organization, if you guys are using Microsoft Intunes along with Microsoft SCCM server, you can use Intune's application management in Patch Connect Plus to select third-party applications and you can deploy that. You can select the applications from your Azure console and install that to the enrolled machines. You can also use a predefined application templates to customize the applications, and you can upload pre and post deployment script to tailor your organization requirements, and thus you can seamlessly deploy third-party applications using Microsoft Intune with a Patch Connect Plus solution. If you guys need to know more about it, do reach out to us at Soft Solutions. We are here to help. Have a good one. See ya.